Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. I lost my voice, so forgive me for the rasp you hear. But Tecoom was nice enough to do a collab with me, and we've got ourselves some brandy new fog lights, which you see in this clip, that are freshly installed. And I'm gonna show you how to put them in yourself. Super easy, and had an awesome result. These things are extremely bright. They fit just like factory, and they're very inexpensive. So I'll put the link to these in the description. And you guys can set yourself up, and let's get into it.
Foggy day. Nice day for some fog lights to be installed. Wish I had me some fancy new fog lights. Oh wait, I do. Very cool, let's get them installed, huh?
All right, so this is my 2017 Ram 1500. We're gonna be installing some fog lights. So this is my 2017 Ram 1500. It is a quad cab tradesman. It's got a 6-inch FabTech lift, and it's got some really nasty fog lights. So take a look in there. There's all kinds of oxidation and stuff, schmetz. I'll turn them on for you. The bulbs are crap, and it's time for some new fog lights. All right, so we're gonna get this thing pulled up to the garage, not into, because I bought a house with a garage that's too short for my truck. So we're gonna nose this thing in and give ourselves a place to work. All right, garage is a mess right now, but let's get this here snow machine out the way and get this truck in here. All right, now that we got the truck in race mode, let's do a quick little unboxing. So I'll put the part number and the description, and I'll probably list it right here as well. But these are some pretty sweet fog lights, especially considering the price. Look at that. Well packaged, super clean. And I'm gonna show you how we put them in. Even comes with the bulbs. And they are super, super clear, which I'm really excited about. So we'll get these things out and get them installed. All right, so I'm here under the driver's side, and if I look up inside, I've got super easy access to this here fog light assembly. So I went ahead and disconnected the battery before I did anything. And what I'm gonna do first, zoom in for you guys. Right here is the actual fog light bulb. So I'm gonna give that a twist counterclockwise, and then pop this old one out. Leave that thing hanging where it is. And then we're gonna go ahead and start getting the process started of removing this housing right here. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and head this one off at the pass as well, because I know, excuse me for sounding like I've been smoking for 40 years. I just got a little cold. So I'm gonna pop this little plastic cap off here, if it'll let me. Come on, baby. Because I know that this bulb is getting replaced as well. A little bit of persuasion, that comes right off. And then we've got, we've got 3 10mm bolts. 1, 2, and 3. Here, let me get you over there. 3. So we'll go ahead and zip those off right now. You don't need any fancy power tools, but I'm gonna use my itty bitty impact because I can. All right. Don't be fooled by the Milwaukee and the snap-on extension. It's a Craftsman socket. All right, so we're sitting right on that there bolt. Make sure a good amount of dirt falls directly in your eyes. Good. And your hair. Number 3. All right, there we go. Oh yeah. Live on a dirt road, they said. Here we go. That's one right there. Good stuff, good stuff. 2, 3. Set those aside. I think they're all the same length. Let's see. They are all, in fact, the same length, which is great. All right, pull this housing right on out. Kind of goes in this way. There's little tabs that it sets in, at least up top. Yeah, this little tab right here. So when you reinstall it, make sure it's centered, not pinching any wires. I'll show you how to do that in a second here. But is there another tab? There is another tab on the bottom as well. All right, so we'll pull this thing out of here. Make sure I get a good amount of dirt right in my eyes. Good stuff. And we'll get the new one up there right now. All right, so here we go. We're gonna actually peel this plastic cover off of this thing right here. Otherwise I'll forget. And then there's a little one of these bad Larrys. Get that thing off of there. And then we're gonna stuff this up inside without scratching the crap out of it. Good. And oh, I got it. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, bumping you guys all over the place. Okay, so that pops right in. Top and bottom. Holy smokes. That fits great. All right, I got, oh God, where are those bolts? Oh no. There they are. All right, let me get one of these things in there. Just kind of use my left hand for you guys. There we go. All right, I'll get this one started. Can you tell I'm not a lefty? There we go. And we'll get the top one started as well. There we go. Perfect alignment. Awesome. Right, tighten this thing up a little bit. Maybe. Okay. Make sure this thing's aligned. There we go. Snug these up. All right. We'll tighten up with the socket. All right, now we'll take this here connection right up to the new fog light bulb. Pop that sucker on. She's in there tight. No loosey-goosey. Let's check the alignment from the outside, see what we got. Wow. I'm going to pop the battery terminal back on and see if there's light. Oh, holy smokes.
That's a fog light. Look at that.
Super clear. Looking real good. Got that crappy LED one installed, so we'll get that out right now from the other style. But you can see, even with this super bright, you know, aftermarket, high intensity LED, look how much more the new bulb projects with this clear housing. Super cool stuff. Pretty excited. All right, so the process is the same for the other side. I'm gonna go ahead and do that now, and we'll roll this thing out and take a look at what we got. Good news is, on the driver's side, you got even more room to work with. So the install is simple. To give you a quick comparison of the old bulb, tons of moisture in there, all nasty, just definitely time to be replaced. So this is a super inexpensive solution. You know, we don't really realize how important lights are until you don't have them, right? You know, the more light you can get on the front end, it's just super important, especially for me in these neck of the woods, to be able to get these for such an inexpensive price. And they're, you know, direct replacement, super easy install. You really can't beat it. So hope this helps. Like I said, I'll get you guys some clips of this from the outside in the dark, and you can show me what you think. Leave a comment below, and thanks for watching.
Tell me the truth. Voila.
Not bad for some fog lights. Holy crap. Wow. Damn, it's like headlights. Ooh, she looks sleek. I would chop that up as a success. Let's go.